SSIS Catalog Migration Wizard is one of the highest-rated extensions on Visual Studio Marketplace. It is designed to manage all SSIS catalog migrations and management in a few clicks. This demo will show how to migrate SSIS environments from one SQL Server to another. Let us now launch SSIS Catalog Migration Wizard from SSMS. On the source screen, select Source SQL Server containing SSIS environment to be migrated to the target SQL Server and click Next. On the target screen, enter the target SQL Server instance name and click Next. On this screen, you will see the entire SSIS catalog items from the source SQL Server in the tree view. For this demo, we will only select the SSIS environment to migrate to target and click Next. If you want to replace the SSIS environment variable values concerning the target SQL Server, you can do this here. Suggest button will list all recommendations you might need to update in the target SSIS environment during the migration. Click on the reference value to check the references for the given string that can be replaced in the target. You can also provide a new value to be updated. And click Save. Click on the Advanced button to change the suggestion methods and replace scopes. The current suggest method is regex substring. Once you have updated all replace rules, you can click Next. Review the choices made in the wizard, and if everything looks okay, click Finish. The migration is done. Let us now go and check the Target Integration Services catalog. We can see that the environment is migrated to target and has newly migrated environment variable values. Check out the documentation link below to learn more about it.